Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Jonah.
As you can see, we're getting ready for the summertime. And today, we're gonna make a summertime self-portrait that's all about cool shades. When you look at this self-portrait, do you look familiar? Yeah, that's right, it's me. And you can see I made the sunglasses really big in this picture so that the head is actually going right off the page. And reflected in the sunglasses, you can see someplace where I would like to travel. Wish I could be at the beach right now. But we'll just go to the beach in our sunglasses in our picture. Maybe you'll go to the beach, maybe you'll go to the mountains, maybe you'll go to Kennywood. I don't know. You can draw a landscape of where you would like to go in your picture. First, let's start with the sunglasses. Now when we draw the sunglasses on your picture, I'm going to show you how to do one kind of sunglasses, but think about different kinds of sunglasses. There's lots of different kinds. There's sunglasses that look like this, and this, maybe even like this. There's sunglasses that look like this, and even sunglasses that look like this. You pick what you want the sunglasses to look like in your picture. But I'll show you how to draw one type. We're going to need paper, pencil or marker, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's get started. We want our paper to go long ways, so we have room for these big sunglasses. And remember, it's super important to make these sunglasses take up most of the paper. I'm going to start with a line just a little higher than the middle that goes most of the way across my paper. Like this. Almost all the way across. In the center, below that line, I'm going to make a square or a rectangle. Make sure it's right in the middle. And then below that, I'm going to make kind of a rounded triangle shape coming down. It's like the shape of a candy corn, or maybe a letter A. And that's going to be near where the bottom of your sunglasses are. Now let's come back over here to the sides and make kind of a little bit of a box shape on the end, like that. And now we're going to draw the rest of the frame. It's going to come down and then curve a little bit at the bottom to the A where we left off. So come down, curve a little bit, right to there. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Come down, curve a little bit, right to the A. Now we need to draw the lenses. When you draw the lenses, make sure you're putting your lines near the edge of your frame so that your frames are thin. I'm going to go up here at the top and make a rainbow-shaped line for the top of each lens. And then for the rest, I just follow along the shape of the frame like this. Make sure you make a nice skinny frame with a nice big lens. That'll give you a lot of room to draw your landscape inside. Before we draw the landscape inside our lenses, let's finish drawing our face. Let's add a nose like this. We're going to draw a realistic nose. Make a line coming down for the bridge of our nose. And then the bottom of our nose, not touching that line, a little bit lower. Make a line that curves down like this, right in the middle. And then we'll add our nostrils going around the end of that line, like that. Below our nose, we can add a mouth. Make sure your mouth is wider than your nose. Start at the bottom of the lens to add your cheeks, like this. Curve out a little bit, and then come in as it goes down towards your chin. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're starting to see this face. Let's add some ears holding up these glasses. Up here near the top of the glasses, curve out a little bit, in, and then out smaller at the bottom. Kind of like a peanut shape. Curve out, in, and back out a little bit. We'll add a little bit of details to our ear with a line that curves up like this, and a little rounded line like that. One that curves up, one that curves around like that. At the top, add your forehead coming up a little bit from the top of the glasses like this, and then draw your hair. Try to make it really look like you. I have curly hair, so I'm going to use a lot of curly and scribbly lines to make it look like me. And my hair is going to go right off the top of the page. To make this really look like Mr. Frost, I need to add my mustache and beard too. Don't add a mustache and beard to your picture unless you have one. Well, there's my face. Now I'm ready to make the landscape inside the lenses that shows where I would like to go. Be creative. I'm not sure where you would like to travel, but I can't wait to see your ideas. Go ahead and draw yours. I drew where I wanted to go. I wanted to visit the mountains. And it looks like Jonah drew the beach. Now we're ready to color. When you color, you could use crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever you have. I'm going to use colored pencils. Jonah's going to use crayons. Let's get started. There you have it. In my self-portrait, I'm taking a trip to the mountains. Looks like Jonah's taking a trip to the beach. Well, boys and girls, I hope that you've had a lot of fun doing these remote learning art lessons with me. I've had a lot of fun doing them for you, and I've really enjoyed getting to see all the artwork that you've sent me. You can still send me a picture of this drawing to my email or by text message, and I will post one more video of student work at the end of the week. I hope to see you guys in the fall. Take care.